Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2004 Volvo XC90. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. It's going to be super easy. I can do it and you can do it too. As always, if you need any parts, you can check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we need to get this panel off right here. There's going to be a screw here and a screw there. To remove that, you're going to use this right here. It's a Torx bit. And the size, it's a T25. So it looks like a star. Put it right in the screw. Same exact screw as the first one. Just grab this, give it a nice little tug. Let's see if we can get it out of here. There's our panel. So right here, this is where your cabin air filter is going to be. We're going to take out this screw right here and that screw right there. Okay, there's two more screws, one right there and one right here. It's the same exact thing, T25. These ones are a little harder to get to, so I'm going to use a ratchet. Here's the fourth. Grab this, take this right out of here. So right up in here is where our cabin air filter should be. Just gonna pull it down. Maybe some crud coming with it. Keep on working it. And this, my friends, is our cabin air filter. Nasty. So we just want to make sure we have the same filter going on here. You can see how dirty this one is. It's definitely time for a replacement. This is filtering the air that you're breathing inside the cabin. So, you know, it was a good idea that they put one of these in there. Anyway, just hold this right up over it. Matches up along here. Matches up this way. Approximately the same thickness. I'd say we're good to go. Let's grab our new filter and get it installed. So here we are, friends. Let's get this inside and underneath the dash. I'm just gonna kind of roll it up and in, just like this. Should slide right up. That's awesome. Cool. We'll grab our cover and our 4 mounting bolts, and we'll get the cover mounted on. We've got our cover. Just gonna line up the cover with the mounting holes. Push it up on there. That might not want to stay. So we'll just hold it with our other hand. Get a couple of these screws started. The front ones are easier to get to, so I'll start with those. So we're just going to snug up these screws. Get it on there. Awesome. We're just screwing into plastic here, so they don't need to be very tight. Just want to make sure they're bottomed out. Feels good. That feels good. We'll go ahead and snug up the other two. Feels good. Just a little wiggle. Feels like it's on there good. Awesome. Let's move along. All right, so here we go. We're gonna get this cover on. Just get it down under here, just like that. This wire under there, that goes like that. This is just gonna lift right up. There should be a little hole for the piton somewhere. There it is. Couple loving box. Got a little screw. Just got our little screws in here. Snug them up. Tuck those wires up in there. Awesome. That's it. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.